CGI MaEVA, a video-assisted expertise solution which enables to call on the required expertise to run maintenance operations wherever and whenever. With CGI MaEVA, the technician can be supported all through the maintenance operation. Thanks to its tablet, he can track and validate a checklist by himself. Facing a technical problem he's not able to solve alone or requiring a specialist's advice, the technician can instantly get in touch with a maintenance engineer from the airline through CGI MaEVA's collaborative space. The technician shares directly what he observes through his connected glasses. In return, the engineer can point at the intervention area within the technician's field of vision. If the problem requires an in-depth expertise, the engineer can reach out manufacturer's experts. Through this same collaborative space, the experts and the engineer can share and write notes on all kinds of documents, such as plans, procedures, or similar incidents track records. This exchange can lead to an additional inspection like an engine's boroscopy. Both experts and engineer can monitor the operation in real time, take snapshots, and share them with the collaborative space to accelerate the decision-making. Their recommendations make it easier for the technician to solve the problem, which helps airlines to reduce aircraft ground times. All the data shared during these operations can be saved, ensuring their traceability. These data can be analyzed in order to anticipate future maintenance operations. Initially developed for the aerospace industry, CGI MaEVA may also be used in other industries, such as energy and utilities, by supporting the maintenance of power plants, wind parks, or oil rigs, for instance. But also in the transport industry, to assist in the maintenance of infrastructure and facilities.